Okay, what do we have here? Okay, I wanted to introduce you to my project that I've been working on with an agency in America. This is an interesting paper doll modelling set. Cut out paper dolls, you pop them out and they make figures of your choice. There's 11 or 12 different variations. I'm going to show you each one now, and they come on different sheets of paper. Okay, all nicely designed by myself, and they're all based on the caricature of Trump. Okay, so this is basically the original main design. You'll see that the actual design itself comes with a kind of a design sheet. It gives you information about how it's supposed to be put together, some safety information, and a couple of quotes. This is all based on, if you look at the actual cover, it actually says just here, yeah, it's based on, in his own words. So everything in this design aspect is actually taken from tweets that he's actually done, or statements he's made in the press or on TV programs and such like. So all the designs are actually based on some aspect of how that's been visualized in a way to actually portray Trump as the person he's supposed to be. Okay, now these are all really interesting. I'm just going to flip through them. This is the original one. You notice he hasn't got a wig, because you can select between a wig or a hat. Okay, and this will be shown later. Okay, so what we do now is just go through them. This is one for when he made a mistake with the old Alabama map. Okay, this is one regarding his kind of view and understanding of women, which is not very nice. This is one where he keeps going on about Hillary Clinton going into prison, but he's actually been stated to be locking him up as well in one of his tweets, or a tweet. Okay, this is about his views on ethnic minorities, especially with some of the areas which he actually said certain nasty things. I won't say them on video, but he actually said some nasty things about black people, and this is kind of portraying that kind of understanding as well. This is about his connections with Russia. You know, he's basically in their back door, friends with Putin and all this kind of stuff. Okay, this one is about his love affair with Kim Jong-un. This is his kind of suit that represents Kim Jong-un. He's got a little love letter here. It's quite interesting if you read it, actually. This is about his border wall, and this is obviously the picket fence, American picket fence, and it's representative of the wall and his understanding of how Americana should be kept American, and you shouldn't have migrants or immigrants, even if they're justified, crossing the border, and so he's dressed up as a Mexican. Okay, this is about his views on certain aspects of far-right attitudes, and so he's dressed up as a kind of a neo-Nazi look with the wiki candle and everything as well. And this is one of the things about his kind of involvement with the Ku Klux Klan. So he's dressed up as an old-fashioned Ku Klux Klan master. Basically, his racist commentary and how it kind of affects people's attitudes towards America and everything. And finally, the last costume is his views with his relationship with Saudi Arabia, whether they're good or bad. You know, he basically wants it for the money aspect, and that's not very good as well. So you know, there's a costume based on that, and I'll tell you about some of the details later. But you know, because there's obviously some hidden things in each one that will be talked about. But these are the costumes. And finally, the last page is the podium, where he's actually speaks when he's giving some press conferences and everything. And you'll notice it says, for instance, it says impeached. Okay, and also if you turn it over, there's his, because he spends like a third of his time on golf courses or something of his presidency. So basically, we did a golf bag that you can be placed in front of the actual podium, and these are the two stands that you'll require to actually make it all work. And this basically sets up how you're supposed to do this and where it all fits and everything. Okay, so what we're going to do now is actually put it all together and show you each one of the costumes and how it all works and everything. Okay. Thank you for watching the video, and please consider subscribing to my channel, and also press the notification bell so you're aware of when a new video has been uploaded. If you like the video, consider pressing the thumbs up icon, as well as possibly leaving a comment to tell me what you think. Also consider sharing the video on these sites, as well as follow me on these social media channels. Thank you again for watching.